Good morning, it's Richard Howarth, Managing Director here at the Henry Canberra, providing you another construction update for Stage 4 at the Henry. I'm very happy to be standing on the very top habitable level of Building A, which is level 5, and as you'll see later on, there are some spectacular views from not just this site, this level, but from all levels on the site. Really happy to report that there's lots of progress going on in site. We have our first pre-sheet inspection going on today, with kitchens following very soon after that, and some joinery as well, which is exciting. We also have windows being installed, framing up taking place, and electrical rough-ins happening already. So progress is well and truly ahead of schedule, and we're looking forward to having our first residents move in December 2027. If you'd like to get in touch with one of our sales staff, they would love to hear from you and be able to show you through one of our display apartments, as well as you'll be able to see all the fantastic construction taking place on site. Hope to hear from you soon. Have a great day. Thank you.